What's going on, guys? It's your man Ed Hayes here, back for another video. And in this video we're going to be continuing a series that we started a little while back on the channel, where I go out, I scour the internet and find places around America where we can get some free county data. So Georgia, you're up in today's video. We're going to have a jam-packed session. All right, we're going to be going through 3 different counties out in Georgia, which are Cobb County, Clayton County, and DeKalb County, and I'm going to be showing you all how to access some free public information. Thousands of leads, guys. So I hope that you all are pumped for this content. But before we even dive into it, I've got a goal that I'm trying to hit, guys. I'm trying to get to 12,500 subscribers before the end of this year. It's a big goal, it's a crazy goal, but it's my goal, and the only way I'm going to get that goal is if you all give me the HBO special. What's the HBO special? That's the Help a Brother Out special. All right, I need y'all to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more content. I'm going to give y'all a second to do that.
Push the button. Push the goddamn button.
Push the goddamn button.
You heard what she said.
All right, now let's get into this content.
With me, that's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? Hey, coming down like precipitation. I ain't never met a...
All right, guys, so this first list that we're going to be pulling is going to be coming from Cobb County. And just so you know, like, all of these lists I basically just Googled, but it took a decent amount of digging for these Georgia lists. So Georgia, definitely hit the like button, man, if y'all appreciate it. So over here on the tax commissioner's page, and all of these links will be down below, but just make sure that y'all check out this video until the end. Right here you'll see the current tax delinquent list, and about the middle of the page it says that this tax delinquent list is updated monthly. All right, so I've already went on ahead. All you have to do is just click this little button right here. It'll pop up like the actual file, so we can see what this data looks like, guys. So as you all can see, it is in PDF format, so you will have to kind of get this information converted over so it'll actually make sense. But it's got everyone's information right here. You can just scroll down the page and get all of this data, guys. It's literally, what, 241 pages of free county data, y'all. It's like you can't beat this stuff, man, like for real. And it's really easy to pay someone off of like a Fiverr.com to get this information converted over for you. Now we're going to switch over to Clayton County, and with Clayton County, it's going to be a little bit different than some other places around the nation when you're trying to get this data. So for Clayton, they don't actually have just like a list that you can just download like a lot of places throughout America.
Mission failed. We'll get them next time.
But on this particular page, I was able to find an area where they have a open records request form. And this is also a form that you can basically use in different places around America to actually be able to require the government to give you this data that you want. So if you actually click on this button, it takes you over here to submit a records request, right? So I clicked on a button and it was like, you know, like what types of public records are available. And basically you'll see public records are broadly defined to include documents, papers, letters, maps, books, tapes, photographs, computer-based or generated information, data fields, or similar material prepared and maintained or received in the course of the operation of a public office or agency. Therefore, guys, in Clayton County, Georgia, the information about what taxes, what properties have delinquent property tax would be something that they're keeping record of, guys. So it will definitely be a list that you can reach out to you know, Clayton County right here using this submit a records request button, and you can go ahead, submit that records request so you can get your data. All right, so that's it. That's a golden run right there. And a lot of these other counties around America have similar processes. It may be forms that you have to fill out somewhere, or you may have to go into the government agency and ask them for specifically what you're looking for. But look for open records request forms. Whatever county that you're looking in, if you can't find it online, ask them, do you all have an open records request form that you can fill out to be able to request data from them? Bang.
You smart.
Now, lastly, guys, with this DeKalb County list, this was probably like the hardest one to come across, to be honest. I came across this page. It's on the DeKalb tax page, and it's on the documents and forms section. Basically, you can download the delinquent tax list right here. It does come from, I believe, March of this year. So, you know, it's a little bit older, to be honest. However, this list is absolutely ridiculous. It's 1,000 pages on here, y'all, and it's a decent amount of people per page. If I'm not mistaken, I think it's probably like 30,000 people on this one particular list. Like the numbers start over, so it's a little bit weird or whatever. It'll be at like 13,000 and then start back over at like 7 or something like that. But look, there's a ton of records on this list. I really mean that. So take advantage of this data, guys. This video is not going to be super long. All the links to all of these sites are going to be linked down below. Georgia, stand up and hit that like button for your boy. Subscribe to the channel for more of this good content, man. You know I got y'all out here. So, man, what do y'all think, man? Are y'all gonna go out here and get some of this free public data? If so, man, drop me a comment down below if y'all appreciate it, man. It definitely helps out the YouTube algorithm. And also check out my other videos that I did on the channel talking about other lists throughout the nation where you can go out there and get some free county data. Anyway, though, man, I hope that y'all staying healthy and staying blessed. As always, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this up. And until next time, guys, we are out.